Cake.
And put the cake. Ready? Here's your cake. Ooh! Now, run! Run! Yay! There's the cake! Went backwards. Did Superman fly backwards?
Nene, come here. You do a split? Oh, he doesn't have socks
Come
on.
here, put your socks on so you can do a split.
Keep going, Bubby. Do a split.
Big. I'll go good. Go good. Big.
Hi, Superman.
Nene, come here.
Cake.
Yep. You're drooling all over yourself.
Come here, let's put your socks on, then you can do a split. Come here, put your socks on. And then you can do a split. Here. Come here, put your socks on.
Wee.
Good boy. Yay.
I heard in between that a little bit.
Can you say Superman?
Don't be